Okay, this video is to show you how to handle the height of a tall building scale drawing. On a piece of graph paper, down in the lower left-hand corner, place a dot and call that point A. And then in the lower right corner, on the same line, place a dot and call it point B. And then using a ruler, I can't do it with this program, but you need to use a ruler. Connect points with a straight line. The next thing you need to do is to use a protractor and place the protractor over your observation point, point A. Remember, this is a scale drawing of the front lawn of the main building. You need to use a protractor to measure out your observation angle at point A. And again, I don't have a protractor, but you need to use one. Let's say that is an angle of, let's say I measure out an angle. My observation angle was 20 degrees, and then I extend a line all the way over across the paper. And where this line intersects the y-intercept above point B, that is point C. That's where the bell is on the bell tower. Now, let's say that I had measured the distance from A to B in paces to be 50 paces. Using my pace count factor, mine was 5, I can convert the distance from A to B into feet. That would make that distance 250 feet. Now I notice on my scale drawing, on my graph paper, that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25 blocks, 25 graph paper blocks from point A to point B. That means that the scale on my drawing, 250 feet between point A and B, divided by 25 blocks between point A and B on my graph paper. That means that each block on my graph paper is worth 10 feet. Well, then I go over and I see that between points B and C there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 blocks on the graph paper between point B and C. Yes, that was my cell phone you heard ringing in the background as I was recording earlier. Anyhow, since there are 14 blocks BL between points B and C, and each block is worth 10 feet, hey, look at that. Blocks cancel. 14 times 10 equals 140 feet. That is what I've calculated as the height of the bell tower.